Final Cut Pro does not have ease in or ease out of keyframes. That's except for the audio tracks. But I'll show you how to simulate the effect within Final Cut Pro. I'll use a shape from the elements in the generators. Any object or image will work the same though. Drag it to the timeline. I'm only going to use 20 frames, so in the timeline, move the playhead to the 20 frame mark, and that's by holding the Shift key and pressing the right arrow twice. The Shift key held down moves 10 frames at a time. Right-click on the viewer, select Transform, and set a keyframe at the top left. While in the viewer, so that you can see more of the image, reduce the size of the viewer and make sure the overlay button is on. Now move back to the timeline. Move the playhead to the first frame or press the Home key. With the Shift key held down again, in the viewer, move the star off to the left. Now play in the timeline and you'll see how the star comes in at a fixed rate and suddenly stops. I'm going to fix that sudden stop with an ease out. But first I'm going to duplicate this animation so you can see the difference once the ease out is applied. Holding the Option key, drag a copy of the clip to the right. We'll compare this later. I've selected the first frame again. And in the viewer, now look at the keyframe selection in the top left box. You'll see left and right arrows. Click the left to move the playhead to the first keyframe. Click the right to move to the second keyframe. And while on the second keyframe, right-click on the white starting point. Make it linear. Right-click on the center keyframe and make it smooth. And now if you look carefully, just to the left you see a keyframe handle. Hold the Shift key again and drag to the edge that the object is moving to. Play the clip in the timeline and it'll move to that edge and then a little bit back again. So what we need to do is use a little of that move back effect as a softening ease out. If you move the playhead in the timeline, you'll see it at about 18 frames in. And for this 20 frame exercise, it's exactly at 15 frames. So move the playhead to 15 frames and press Option+F to create a freeze frame. Remove the clip after the freeze frame. And now to emphasize the effect, create a compound clip of the first and second parts. That's right-click, select Compound Clip. Now slow that down by 50%. That's command+R and click on the claret and slow to 50%. So the comparison clip is the same speed, compound that and slow that down to 50% also. The effect's fairly subtle, so play the first clip with the ease out and you'll see it speeds up at the start and then slows down a little. The second clip travels at a fixed rate.